Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to Jack's Journey. Today I am so excited, guys. First of all, thank you for selecting this video. As you know, I love Boxycharm, and it's the first week of February and I'm still waiting for some of those full box reveal, but in the meantime I wanted to give you a heads up of what's coming for the month of March. We have some brand confirmed for all three boxes. As you know, on March we're expecting base, premium, and boxy luxe, so I'm going to share some of those boxes coming up. But in the meantime, I want to first talk about March choice that is happening in a few days. Yes, that's happening on Monday, February 8th, and that's going to open up at 12 p.m. Not only are you going to be able to make your selection, but also pop-up opens on that same day. As you know, you could shop for deals up to 80% off. But if you're new to Boxycharm, what I love that they're actually giving a free palette just for subscribing, and in addition you're getting a $10 credit you're going to be able to use in the pop-up store. You want to know what's coming in the pop-up store? We already seen some spoilers, and here's some other spoilers I want to share with you guys. Some great items. I'm loving to see that from Dominique Cosmetics. We have Glow Recipe, Pericone, guys, is going to be on the pop-up store, which I'm not surprised that there's going to be some high-end brands there. Now that we have that date set up and already reserved and ready to go on Monday, let's see what's coming for March. These are, guys, I'm going to let you know that these are all brands reveal, but some of the products that I'm going to share are just my take on it based on surveys, so those are not confirmed, but the brands are confirmed. So let's go ahead and get started with the base box. As you know, that's when it's going to be $25, and I think this is going to make it a lot harder because, as you know, we usually just get base, but if you upgrade it you might get boxy luxe. This is already looking like a great box so far. It is not confirmed if these are going to be the products, but it is saying that the March box is going to be worth up to $250, and some of the brands that they mentioned was Lime Crime and Glow Recipe. Like I mentioned, the items are not confirmed. This was a reveal in January, I believe it was, and it was shown in the back, but it was not confirmed. But this was the palette that was shown, and since it's from Lime Crime, I'm guessing this might be the one that we might see for the base box. Then Glow Recipe, I know we have seen other items from Glow Recipe, but those have been confirmed for boxy luxe. So going based on a survey, another product that we have seen from Glow Recipe is a banana souffle moisture cream, and this is great to help hydrate your skin, so I'm excited to see if this is the product that is coming. And as you know, I love Glow Recipe. Every product that I have tried, I'm truly impressed with their brand, and once again it is saying we're going to be getting a product in the base box. So that is all I have for the base box. Now let's go ahead and move on to the premium box. So the brands that they mentioned for the premium is going to be the box is going to be worth $395, and some of the brands that we could expect is Too Faced, Luxie, and IGK. These brands we have tried in the past. You know, Luxie we have seen for many years, and IGK, I love some of those products we have tried from Boxy Luxe years ago, and I'm glad to see Too Faced coming back to Boxycharm. So based on some surveys, the only products I've seen from Too Faced is the Damn Girl mascara. Super pretty, and as you know, most of their mascaras are pretty good. So this is the one that I've seen in a survey share previously. And here's another product that was shared in another survey. Is the Hangover Primer. It's a replenishing dewy finish primer. I love this primer. It truly, anytime I travel, usually your skin, so for some reason, gets super dry, and I have oily skin, and I always take this with me because I do feel like my skin just bounced back. So it could be one of these products. It's not confirmed, but at least we know that Too Faced is coming. To be honest, I will prefer a palette, but I will also love the primer as well. We don't know what Luxie is going to be. Usually it's brushes, so let's see what that product might be. And IGK is usually hair products. I love that brand. I'm truly impressed with some of the products we have tried in the past, so I'm excited so far for the premium box. Now let's go ahead and talk about Boxy Luxe choice. As you know, the only choice product we've known so far is the Fenty Beauty, the Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. I love this foundation. Like I mentioned in another video, I love it so much that mine's already finished, so this will be at a perfect time for us to get it. There is going to be a nice range of shades, and as we know, they do have so so many shades provided by Fenty Beauty, and there's going to be a nice range provided by Boxycharm when you make your selection. I love that this foundation is a matte, but it's super soft. It leaves you a nice glow, buildable, and you could build it from medium to full. So that will be the only choice that we know so far. But here are the brands shared for BoxyLuxe, and those brands are Glow Recipe once again. And this is a reason why I think the Glow Recipe that I mentioned for the base box will not be the same one for BoxyLuxe, because this one was confirmed for all charmers to receive Glow Recipe, the plum.
For the serum from Glow Recipe, everyone's getting it in Luxe. Remember the serum from Glow Recipe? Everyone's getting it.
Plum hyaluronic serum. And what I love that this is a silky, is water gel texture. That means it's going to be super lightweight, so that it sounds like it's great for all skin type, which it is. And as you see here, it says that the BoxyLuxe is going to be worth up to $445. So now that we already mentioned Glow Recipe and we already know the product that is going to be for that box, the next product that is the next brand that is showing there is Beauty Bakeries. Beauty Bakeries we've seen recently, actually last year we got the palette. Some charmers got the palette. I was super excited that I got it too. Love that palette from that brand. But based on previous surveys, other products that we have not received is a few of them. So guys, just stay tuned because there's a few that I need to mention. So I don't know which one of these it may be. Hopefully one of these are the ones. So in a survey, I saw there's the Beauty Bakery beauty sponges, and look how cute they are. And I think this will be perfect coming closer to the Easter season. So that's what it looks like to me. Another product will be the Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Palette. Very similar to the eyeshadow palette, but this one is a blush palette and it's super cute. And then we have this other product that was also mentioned in another survey, and this is the Butter Hydra Silk Primer, and it comes in a stick form, so it's super interesting to get that like that. And then another one that I forgot to mention, but I finally got the picture, is the Beauty Bakery The Flower. This is the Better Not Bitter setting powder. So it could be one of these products. I feel like it may be one of those, but we don't know. Sometimes we may be surprised and it could be something totally different, but these are the ones that we have seen mentioned in previous surveys. So now that we got Glow's Recipe, we have maybe an idea what we could expect for Beauty Bakeries. Now let's talk about the other brand. The other brand is a new one. It's called Soleil. But in this one, once I have to really dig, I did find 2 items mentioned on a survey. This one is called Soleil Mini Hairbrush. It is a mini hairbrush, and this is a brand that is mostly hair tools, and this is one of the ones that they do carry. They do have different colors. In the picture is showing kind of like a gold yellow tone there, or yellowish tone, but this is what it looks like on their website, and it's a mini hairbrush. But this is another product that was also mentioned in another survey previously. And this is a Miracle Protector Spray, and this is a way to protect your hair before you apply any type of heat to your hair, which is perfect. It's something that I need to do more often. I sometimes forget. Anytime I straighten my hair or apply any heating tools in my hair, I forget to apply something before to protect the hair from any heat, and this will be a perfect way to apply them. So I don't know if it might be any of these two. Let me know what you guys think on the comment section. They're both from the same brand, so it could be the brush or it could be the protector spray. Now that we have all those brands revealed, there's other brands that was mentioned on a previous picture shared here by the CEO. Here we see these items here from that we know that is coming, and it's already confirmed for the February premium box. But all of these were so many items mentioned, and now I'm starting to think if we might see them in March, or we might see them in April, or they might be some of those choice items. I don't know. So here we see this box here, and once I found in a survey, it was from Miley's Firming Belly Cream. I have a feeling this is going to be for BoxyLuxe. Usually any type of product that has nothing to do with skincare or beauty, or makeup, and it has to do with more lifestyle item. In this case, it's more for the body. We usually see that for Boxyluxe and sometimes as a choice, so maybe this might be a choice item, but we do see it here and we saw it in a survey previously. Another item we see there as well is this container here, and that's a rose and quartz hair mask. Another product that we tend to see more on Boxyluxe, some hair products. At first I was mad to getting hair products in my Boxyluxe, but once I tried some of those items for the hair, I'm starting to love them. So now I'm excited to try more hair products, and I'm guessing this might be for Boxyluxe, so it could be maybe for March. So we might see the rose and quartz hair mask there. Then another product we see there in the picture, which is the box here, is from Eloise. This is a brush to apply your makeup, and I have heard so many excitement for this product. A lot of people are raving and loving this brush, so I'm excited now to actually try it to see what's the big rave going on that product. So we see it there, but then again, we don't know if this is coming to March. But since we are talking in the future, and so far we have not seen these being mentioned at all for February, then I'm guessing it might be for either Boxyluxe or maybe for the March boxes. But remember, it's not confirmed yet, but we do see that it's coming because he did show us recently. And here we see Glow Recipe that now has been confirmed for Boxyluxe. This one has been confirmed for Boxyluxe, the choice item for Fenty Beauty, the foundation. This one is why I'm guessing that it could be for Lime Crime for the base box, and now we're pending some of these items here. So the next item I want to mention is this little container you see there, and that's Amina. And this is the Kiss the Stars. This is a lip plumping mask, and this is a 24 karat gold plumping mask that you applied on your lips, and it has some cute little stars. How cute is that? So we see that product there. We also see this box here. I still have not been able to make what that is or what that brand is, but I don't know. I feel like some of these items may be coming to Boxyluxe, or we might see them in March. So once they're confirmed, as you know, I will be doing a video about that. But in the meantime, I wanted to give you guys a heads up so you have an idea what's coming already for March. So guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, for spending some of your time with me, and excited for what's coming in March for Boxycharm. Thank you guys once again, and until the next video. Bye.